Now we can pop this level and they can prove to me they can defend something again. I would count this as the first ladder. I would count that. But now I want to see a second one. And to be honest, I might be a third ladder guy today. So RTH only had a little drive down, a fair value gapping move to the top, just judging off RTH. Bulls are controlling. All right, let's see if we're going to get over the bull bear line. Boy, if you were brave enough and took this with your stop underneath the bottom, man, you crushed it today. Jeez. All right, coming the bull bear line there at 68.30. The overnight half back is up there at 39.50 with the back test of an RTH all-time high. It's where it had a monster gap on the tariff 2 Sundays ago. RTH, bulls are controlling with fair value gapping candles going to the north. Coming back to the bull bear line. Now, if we see a pop and you wanted to get long, the good thing about these longs here is the stop is obvious. I would certainly be TP. If you did multiple contracts, I'd be TPing some at the overnight half back and then keeping a single runner back. So we said if this thing can reclaim the bull bear level, come back to the bull bear. That's a long idea. If you did take it, congratulations. If you have multiple contracts, I'd be looking to take something off here at the overnight half back and keeping a single runner back. And that might be your only trade today. And then I would have liked it to come to here for the second ladder, but that's not what happened. What actually happened is so let's talk about it. First ladder. Okay. And I would count that as the second ladder. Okay. And I told you I was probably going to be a third ladder guy today. And this was the third ladder we mapped out. So if you took that long in this strong range, 30 would have been the perfect entry, had it give it to you, but it didn't. It just went into the range and then came back out. Make sure you're TPing something just here in front of the overnight halfback if you did multiple contracts. If you did multiple contracts, let's say you did the 3150, let's say you take something off at 7 points. So you did the 3 contract system. You take something off at 7 points, you're up 14. You're up 14. Put this at -4. And that's it. That ensures you're up 10 points today, no matter what. Okay, there was your TP. And you're keeping a single runner back just in case. So you guaranteed a 10-point day if you did 2 contracts. And then you keep that one back at -4 and you're done with a 10-point day. Okay, that's enough for the snapshot of the YouTube stream and Zoom. We do that every morning on Zoom. Now, eventually price went up a little higher. I recommended you bring your stop to break even or at 36. Price came back and would have gotten you out, ensuring a green day. Then we got a second long entry that you could have also TP'd at 8 points and 8 points, kept a runner back. Now price came back and would have gotten you out of your runner. But that was the proper trading today. I believe we were on the right side of price action during our Zoom trading hours. If you'd like to do this with us every single day, check us out at microstrader.com.